Hey, this is Mark from Chirpy and welcome to the first in our series of onboarding videos to help guide you through getting set up on Chirpy. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect our accounts. The reason you're here is because you're looking for a simpler way to manage your social media accounts. Instead of using each platform directly, Chirpy allows you to bring all your accounts into one area. For this example, we're going to use Instagram. So we're connecting our first Instagram account. I'm already pre-logged in on Instagram. So we log in here and Instagram is connected. Now let's connect Facebook. We click on the Facebook link. Each platform's connection is a little different. So on this page here, we go to edit settings and you make sure that the ones you want to connect are there. So I'm just going to unselect all. For this example, show you Camp Shadowgate because that's who we are connecting right now. And I'll say opt into all current and future businesses. And I click save. It's all quite standard. And then got it. And that's it. We are done and dusted. All social media accounts are connected. So now that all your social media accounts are connected, join me in the next segment as I show you how to build your brand kit.